So we want to make the bottom of the upper lid darker than the top of the bottom lid. Did you catch that? Because there's more the sun is above, casting down the shadow. Oops. That's not how eyelashes go. Eyelashes go the other way. Alright, here we go. Let's do some eye shadows. Not eyeshadow, mind you. Shadows around the eye. So I have some more channel point redeems. I'm no longer going to be talking about the things I've learned unless you use your channel points. So if you want me to talk about podcasts that I've listened to recently and you have some channel points to burn, feel free to ask for down low, low down, that's how you do it. Low down what I've been recently listening to. Also, if you want to know what day it is, what is so special about today, there's another redeem called Guess What Day It Is? Hey, Julie. Oh, come on. I know you hear me. Mike. One of the best commercials on the television are insurance commercials. Don't tell me how boring insurance is. Don't tell me that insurance is going to save my money. Don't tell me that insurance is going to keep my house from being destroyed. Make me laugh at the little lizard. Make me laugh at the caveman. So, yeah, there we go. That's better. Getting better. Maybe I should erase that. That is a more natural look. Get rid of the pencils. What happens without the pencils? Ooh. Haven't done any rendering yet, so let's finish with the contour lines first. Darker line on top than there is on the bottom. I just learned something recently about men's eye. There's a little flap that goes that men have but women do not have. So the curvier the eye, the more feminine it looks. So I'm going to make that straight across. And then this, see a little bit of an opportunity here. I just love drawing wrinkles. Men's wrinkles, old men with beards. Mwah, chef's kiss. Love drawing wrinkles. Don't be afraid of your wrinkles. Embrace your wrinkles, people.